Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today. Um, actually, today, it's Saturday. Yes, not the day after Kingsday on Thursday. Thursday, April the 28th, day after Kingsday. No, it's actually weekend. Saturday, April the 13th. What happened? Yes, the day after King's Day, I got ill. Yes, so few days stopped doing Sudokus, but now I'm Thursday, the Friday, and that Saturday. There are 3 newspapers with Sudokus left, so there's a delay. Yes, a delay with the Sudokus. Apologies, but yeah, when you got ill, then you have no energy to solve any puzzles. So now I need to solve them in a couple of days. I think I will solve these 3 days, all the Sudokus. But first, this Sudoku Medium. This will be number 4471. 4471. 4471. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Yeah. So let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. A 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be here. Then 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 3. Let me see. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here, 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Well. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Yeah. 2 missing numbers now. In the third row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this middle column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Then. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And here we have 2 missing numbers. In this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. Wait. Two eights, and I'm thinking 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 in this box. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, in the last column, we have another 3 here. So no 3 in that box, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. How about the 1? Can I? Yeah, the 1 in this column, third column. 1 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 9. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, yes. two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Two missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Same numbers for these two boxes in this big square. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Same number for these two boxes in this big square. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers. The last two numbers, the same numbers, the 2 and 8. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, and 7, 6, 2. 7, 6, 2. I believe we have here one pair. 1, 2. The 2 as a pair. No, 2 pairs. The 2 and the 6s. Alright. Great. Sudoku Medium. I like this one, yes. Thank you. And I will continue in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.